सिचुएशन जैसा है आगे नहीं होगा, मैं संभालूंगा। ओके, आप लोग teman-teman sih yang yeah, just tell us guys, follow the cop. Shortage in RML area, in and around RML, there are about 7-8 localities here. So there is shortage of rice and shortage of eating materials. I think we should contact all the development committees in this area. ADCs, put them on board, all the development committees, and we should distribute according to the list that they give. We'll give a bit of rice to everybody. Okay, sir. This will be done ASAP. Because the areas affected is not much. It's only this RML area mainly. But then we'll expand it to other areas also. But as of now, it is RML area. जहाँ से भी करना है करो, बस काम करो बॉस. बाद में देखिए कैसे करना है. Get the right to do. And again, to thank you and your team for the great work. Thank you. One second. Also, there are some relief camps in the border in Salang, in Gumigri, Patabari. Only they reached Gumigri. They didn't reach Patabari and other villages. Oh.